you doing? All good? All right. I'll take your silence as a yes.
It's a Scandinavian yes.
That's right. Yeah. Sure. So we're gonna do 3 songs. The first one's by the White Stripes. So. Fall is here, here's the yell, back to school, ring the bell, brand new shoes, walking blues, climb the fence, books and pens. I can tell that we are gonna be friends. I can tell that we are gonna be friends. Walk with me, Susie, through the park and by the tree, and we will rest upon the ground and look at all the bugs we found, and safely walk to school without a sound. And safely walk to school without a sound. Well, here we are, no one else. We walk to school all by ourselves. There's dirt upon our uniforms from chasing all the ants and worms. We cleaned up and now it's time to learn. We cleaned up and now it's time to learn. Numbers, letters, learn to spell, nouns and books and show and tell. And playtime we will throw them all back to class through the hall. Teacher marks are high against the wall. Yes, teacher marks are high against the wall. And we don't notice any time pass. We don't notice anything. We sit side by side in every class. Teacher thinks that I sound funny, but she likes the way you sing. Tonight when I'm in the bed, you'll sing your songs, but through my head about the books and alphabet. And when I wake tomorrow, I'll bet you and I will walk together again. 'Cause I can tell that we are gonna be friends. Yes, I can.